Strengthening Faith 99. I had a thought which I wanted to share. With the increased social media presence in the lives of all people, and the ease with which one can socialize with others, it is important for Muslims to understand a key aspect of useful self-reflection. Self-reflection is needed to correctly assess a situation in order to make a sound and good judgment on how to deal with it. This is true in both worldly and religious matters. This self-reflection is only possible when one turns inwards and temporarily cuts off from external communication, such as talking to others. This is because a situation a person is experiencing can never be fully understood by another person, irrespective of how well they know each other. As every situation one faces creates different emotions and feelings which cannot be experienced by another, even if they experience a similar situation, as each person is different and therefore views and reacts to situations differently from others. This is why seeking advice from too many people only leads to confusion and making the wrong choices in life. So even though seeking expert advice is recommended in both religious and worldly matters, one must still self-reflect over the situation in order to make the right decision according to their needs, character, and ability. In addition, it is not possible to multitask with self-reflection, just like a student cannot study correctly and surf on social media at the same time. But the one who is constantly drowned in socializing, whether they are listening and watching something, talking to someone, or texting, will never make the right judgment in respect to the situations they face, as they fail to truly self-reflect over them. It has become so bad that most people cannot even walk to a bus stop without socializing with others. This self-reflection is important in all small religious and worldly matters, such as issues at work, and is important in respect to one's sense of direction and purpose in life. The one who over-socializes, thereby failing to take regular time out to self-reflect, will lead a pointless and aimless life whereby they do not aim nor strive to fulfill their good aspirations, hopes and aims. A Muslim must take time out to self-reflect, so that they regularly question their purpose, the path they are on, and whether they are heading in the right direction. It is through this one can correctly assess the worldly and religious situations they encounter, and deal with them appropriately, and ensure that they are heading in the right direction in life, so that they find peace and success in both worlds.